Happy Monday. Welcome to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip.
We've touched on 3D Interconnect before and I've explained how to enable it, but today I want to kind of show it in action. In this example, we have this entire assembly and there's this blue pump here. The supplier for it came to us and let us know that they had to change a few parts on it before they could send it out, and then they sent us another part file. Now we could delete this part, bring in a new one, and remake all of our mates, but with 3D Interconnect we can avoid some of that. I'll go to the location and replace the existing part that the assembly is referencing with the new updated version. Now if I go and open the assembly again, I should have the option to update the part in this right-click menu, since the program recognizes that it's different. When I do that, you can see that these mounting flanges update to the new configuration. This will work with a variety of file types, including those native to other CAD programs.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.